Hi ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to point you to the altcoin of the day, and that is Yearn.Finance, and it has ticker symbol YFI, and this is a DeFi coin of this year. Of course, it moved very high this year towards 40k, and now back towards 10k again. And it has a market cap of about $390 billion. It's quite big. And if you'd like to take a look for more information, go to Yearn.Finance/dashboard. There you can see it's a kind of aggregator for non-tech people who are looking for yield in the DeFi area. And if I take a look at the charts, there we see runner-up back in August. It has been trading from more or less 5,600, 6,000, but it came already from 900 bucks in the earlier days, but now it is consolidating around $13,000, and after rallying towards 40k, even touching almost 45,000, it plunged more than 75%. That means that the consolidation pattern of the current situation of roughly 3,000 points, it takes a little bit time to break out again, but if we take into consideration that after a consolidation pattern of 3,000 and we might expect an upside breakout, then we can see a move of 3,000 points. Anyway, if you take a look at the daily chart, it's a flatliner. It looks like a flatliner with a solid support around 13,000. Of course, I don't say that it cannot and will not touch and break the floor. But anyway, if you are looking for a nice buying opportunity, I think this is one of the sweetest buying opportunities recently. And my first target would be 16,000. So it's more or less 20% higher from this level, and maybe even we can see 20,000 in the near future, but then the market has to turn again to the upside. With a stop loss below 12,000, give or take 1,000 points, it's very good to take a look at this coin. I would like to pick them up for my portfolios, for dollar cost averaging portfolio or the hodl portfolio, but at least for the swing trade portfolio, for a position of 100 bucks, then it could be a very nice buying opportunity. And for the dollar cost averaging strategy or the hodl portfolio strategy, every week we buy for a basket of $250, 50 bucks each position, so 5 positions every week. And people who are interested to take a look at our page, cryptoacademy.nl, for free trial for 1 month. Anyway, I wish you a very good and pleasant evening. Go to our website, cryptoacademy.nl, and feel free to take a look for the altcoin of the day. And it's definitely YFI, and that is Yearn.Finance. Hasta la vista. Bye.